Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest automotive gadgets and accessories. Today, we're taking a close look at the Red Wolf car stereo backup camera harness RCA wiring adapter. This is designed specifically for Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles from 2008 to 2020, allowing you to retain your original factory backup camera when upgrading to an aftermarket radio. If you've ever upgraded your car stereo only to realize your backup camera no longer works, this adapter is meant to solve that problem. It comes with an RCA plug and is engineered to connect your OEM backup camera directly to your new aftermarket head unit. This isn't meant for factory navigation systems. The camera needs to display on the radio, not the mirror. One of the biggest advantages of the Red Wolf harness is its plug-and-play design. Installation is simple with no wire cutting or complex steps. The yellow RCA plug connects to the backup camera input on your aftermarket radio, while the other connector plugs directly into the factory camera. This makes it a quick and reliable solution for keeping your camera functional without modifying your car's existing wiring. The build quality is professional, with durable connectors designed for a secure and stable connection. The wiring harness supports both indoor and outdoor use, and it operates at a standard 5 volts DC, which is ideal for compatibility with most aftermarket radios and factory camera systems. The harness itself is lightweight, weighing less than an ounce, but it's engineered to handle the demands of daily use. Essentially, if you own one of these vehicles and want to install an aftermarket radio while keeping your backup camera intact, this adapter could be the perfect fit. Inside the package, you get the wiring harness with a pre-installed wire connector butt, so it's ready for installation right out of the box. It's designed for high-speed connections, with male to female RCA connectors ensuring a reliable link between the camera and radio. Whether you're a DIY installer or a professional, this harness makes the process straightforward. So if you're upgrading your vehicle's audio system but don't want to lose the convenience of your factory backup camera, the Red Wolf car stereo backup camera harness RCA wiring adapter is a practical, high-quality solution that keeps your car functioning as it should. That wraps up today's product critique feature on this wiring adapter. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another in-depth review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.